Common BDO login problems and how to fix them easily. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you the common BDO login problems and how to fix them easily. First, open your BDO online app on your phone. If you cannot log in, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is working properly. Then try opening the app again. A weak connection can stop the login process. Next, check if you entered the correct username and password. Sometimes a small typing error can cause login problems. Carefully re-enter your details and make sure the keyboard is using the correct letters and numbers. For example, your username may be Maria2026. If you forgot your password, tap the Forgot Username or Password option on the login screen. Follow the instructions to reset your account details. Make sure your registered mobile number is active before you may receive an OTP code. Another common issue is unupdated app version. You go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for BDO Online, and update the app if a new version is available. Updated apps usually fix bugs and login errors. If the app is slow or frozen, close the app completely and reopen it. Short tip: save your username in a secure place so it's easier to recover your account when needed.